My name's Alastair Cush. I'm the president of Skyfold. Skyfold is a Montreal-based manufacturer of vertically folding partitions. What makes us unique is the fact that our solutions are fully automated. Rooms can be configured quickly, the walls can be tidily put away and completely concealed. So this product here is the Classic 60, the highest acoustic rating and performance in the industry. What makes it special and unique is that it can be installed into the ceiling with the flick of a switch and a turn of a key. Skyfold and ModernfoldStyles have been in partnership since the early 90s. We have a long-standing relationship with ModernfoldStyles because the people click. We deliver, ModernfoldStyles delivers.